Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we're going to dive into a quick and easy guide on how to find the US 30 index, also known as the Dow Jones 30 on Oanda. Whether you're using the web platform or the mobile app, I'll walk you through each step so you can start trading with confidence. Let's jump right in. First off, let's clarify what the US 30 symbol represents on Oanda. You'll typically find the Dow Jones Index CFD listed as US 30 USD. Sometimes, it might just appear as US 30 in your instrument lists. This CFD tracks the performance of the Wall Street 30 index, and knowing this will help you navigate the platform more easily. Now, let's get started with the first method, which is on the Oanda platform, whether you're using the web or mobile app. First, log into your Oanda account. If you're on the web, just head to the Oanda website, or if you're on your phone, fire up the app. Next, look for the instrument search bar. You can either type in US30 or US30 USD directly into that search bar. If you prefer, you can also navigate to the Instruments section and select Indices. Don't worry, you'll find it easily. Once you've typed in the symbol, you should see the US 30 index pop up. Now, here's a tip. If you plan to keep an eye on it regularly, you might want to add it to your watch list. This way, it'll be super easy to access later. Just click on it, and you'll be able to view prices and even start trading just like you would with other CFDs. How simple is that? All right, let's move on to the second method. If you're using MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 connected to your Oanda account, the process is just as straightforward. Start by opening MarketWatch. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+M if you're on a desktop. Once you've got that open, right-click on the MarketWatch window and select Symbols from the drop-down menu. Now, take a look under Indices or CFDs. Here, you'll want to search for US30 USD or something similar. Once you see it, just add it to your MarketWatch. And just like that, you can open the chart and start trading. It's really that easy, and now you have the US 30 index right at your fingertips. So, to wrap things up, we've learned how to find the US 30 index on both the Oanda platform and through MetaTrader. You're now all set to monitor and trade this popular index. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.